Hey guys, Tiger with Garage Dream Auctions. Behind me we have a very pretty 1998 Jaguar XJ8 L. There's tons of service records to go with the car, so I'm actually just going to include that in the description. I'm not going to talk about them because there's so much to go through. But a few notable things is the transmission has been rebuilt. That's the big one, and a few other things. So yeah, just look in the description to see what's been done to it. But just take a quick walk around, check it out. Currently 130,000 miles on it, so it's been driven, enjoyed, but in excellent condition, as you guys are about to see. And the rims are very clean. You know, there's not any grit built up in the wells, nothing like that. So one thing I do love about these XJ8Ls is the space in the back seat. I mean, just look at how big this door is. This door is gargantuan, but I'm 6 foot. Look at that. I still got a bunch of room. Very comfortable back here, so yeah. This is something I'd love to get chauffeured around in. We got the V8 badging right here on the pillar. There are some little scuffs on the paint here and there. You'll see like something like this. But has had 130,000 miles. Oh, and original owner, so only one owner for the vehicle, which is a big plus for this car. It's also got the sunroof option. Yeah, I mean, man, these Jaguars just look so good. I'm a big fan of the styling. I don't think Jaguar does this anymore, but it's got the chrome hood ornament. And yeah, these double lights are really quite the design cue. But anyway, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the B-roll. Thank you guys.
Radio works.
In San Francisco, you know, I've got friends in San Francisco, liberal friends.